In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create AI influencers that look very real and how you can make money from creating AI influencers by using just AI alone. So if you are shy of showing your face on camera, using AI influencers like this can make you cool money. Now let's get started. When you use the link in the video description below, it's going to take you directly to this website. So for this video, we are going to be using Higgsfield AI. So this is a new feature recently introduced into Higgsfield AI called AI Influencer. So on the left hand side here, we have different models that you can edit. So here you can see these are different models that you can use. So if you come down here, you can also earn money. Other creators are earning up to $3,500 by using AI influencer. I'm going to explain more about that later in this video. Then on the right hand side here, these are different character type. We have human character, ant, bee, octopus, crocodile, and there are different characters right from here. Then if you come here, these are some settings and things you can do to your character. If you don't want to use the builder right from here, you have access to also use a prompt. So if you have a prompt for your character, you can use a prompt right from here. I'll explain all of this in this video. Now, for us to get started, I'm going to show you how to do this in two ways. First, we are going to use the model right on this website. And then secondly, we are going to create our own model right from scratch. So from this, these are different models. If I click on this model, you can see this is a model I created using my own description. So after getting a model like this, you can give it different position, different location, and that model is going to maintain same face, same clothing style, and everything is going to be the same. You can use this to build a complete Instagram page, TikTok page, and even YouTube page, and nobody will notice that. Here is another model I created. Now I'm going to just come down, and then this is a model on this website. Let's say, for example, I've seen a model I want to use. You just have to come here on the left hand side, click on the model, and it's going to appear here just like this. Now it's time for us to go ahead to edit this model. Now there are some other few editing we can do to this model. On the right hand side here, you can select if you want a human, an ant, a bee. Then after that, you can select the gender of your model. So for this particular model, the gender is female. Then for the character type, we have human. So if you come down here, the ethnicity, we have European. That's the ethnicity of that model. I'll explain more of this later. Now, if I want to position this model in another location, maintaining the same face and everything, keeping it the same, I'll just have to come down here where you type. So here you type to customize your character. So for this particular model, I want her to be sitting in a luxurious hotel bedroom. So I'm going to just type that inside this place. I've just included the description of what I'm looking for. Now I'm going to click on edit, and then our model is going to start generating. I'll show you the result of this model. Before I show you the result of what we have just generated, after getting your result, you can convert the image you have gotten into a video by using the motion control on this website. I'll explain that to you later. So let's proceed. This is the result of what we have just gotten. You can see the model. She's doing exactly what I described. Now I'm going to show you, this is the initial model, and then this is the edit I've just done to this model. You can see the facial look is the same. Everything is the same for this model. Now after getting your model like this, and if you are satisfied, then you can go ahead. On this place, you are going to see this download button. Just click on that download button and your model is going to be downloaded. Before I show you how to convert your model into a video like this, let me show you how you can generate your own model from the scratch. So to do that, on the left hand side here, you are going to see create new. So quickly just click on that. Once you click on that, you are going to see a blank place like this. So on the right hand side here, this is where we can customize our character. So here, this is the character type. So if you are going for a human character, you select human right from here. If you are going for an animal, this is ant, bee, and all these other characters are available here. So for this particular video, let me just go ahead and select the human character from here. So I'm going to come down. Then this is the gender. If one of these options is folded, you can click on the arrow here and it's going to review the options for you. We have female, male, and all these other gender right from here. So I'm going to just select female. Then you are going to come down here, and this is where you select the ethnicity of your model. We have African, Asian, European, Indian, Middle Eastern mix. So these are different models you can select. So for this particular video, I'm going to just select African right from here. So now I'm going to come down, and this is where you select the skin color. So for this skin color, since African, we are mostly dark tone, so I'm going to just select this particular skin color. Then you come down. If you can't find the skin color you're looking for, then click on this particular option, and here you can select the skin tone, the skin color you're looking for. Now I'm going to come down, and this is where you select the eye color of your model. So there are different eye colors right from here. I'm going to select this green color because I love that. So now also you can select the color right from here if you can't find the color you are looking for. So after that, you have the skin condition. So these are different skin condition that you can give to your model. People relate more to something abnormal, so these are different skin conditions you can select from. So let me just select the first skin condition right from here. If you don't want your model to have any skin condition, then you don't need to select any skin condition right from here. But I'm going to just select the first one here. Then I will come down, and then this is where you select the age. So I'll just close this one. So this is where you select the age of your model. So I'm going to select adult. Then after that, the next option that we have here, so let me just close all of this so that I can show you something. So the next one that we have here is the advanced settings. This advanced settings, that is when you want to do more detailed settings to your model. So if you want to use that, you need to enable it right from here. So these are different advanced settings you can choose. Then this is the face, the body, and the style. We have the eye type. So if I click on that, you can see these are different eye types I can choose for my model. Then if I come down, this is eye details. So these are different eye details you can give to your models. Then we have mouth and teeth. So you can select right from here. We have ears and all that. So you can just go through this, check the one that is suitable for your own model, and do the necessary settings. So after that, as we were selecting each of those things, they will line up here. So down here you can see human, female, African, black, green, vitiligo, adult. So they will line up here. So in case you want to remove any of these, you can just take your mouse over them and then click on this remove option, and that will be removed. So if you are satisfied with what you have gotten, then you just have to come down here and click on generate influencer, and you're going to get this result like this. So right here is the result of what we have gotten. You can see the model, how beautiful this model is. So we can go ahead to do some little editing to this model. At the bottom side here, there are different things you can do. So here you can regenerate this model. You can also edit this model using Nano Banana Pro option right from here. You can then convert this model into a video using this particular option. You can save as influencer cover also using this option. So for this particular model, let's say I want to build a complete Instagram page using this model. There are different images I can create right from this model. I can create her when she's at the supermarket. I can create when she's going to the beach. I can create her when she's driving a car. There are different things I can do with this single image. If I want to change her eye, if I want to change anything about her, the bag she's carrying, I just have to come down here and describe what I want to, the new image that I want to get, and this website is going to do that for me. So with that being said, now let's proceed to convert the model we have generated into a video. And for this particular example, I'm going to use this particular model which I generated using this same website. You can see how beautiful and black this particular model is. So now let's go ahead to convert this model into a video. And to do that, what you are going to do after creating your model, you click on the model to open up. If you open it up and you're satisfied, then on the right hand side here, you can see this option of motion. If you don't want to go through this place also, you can come down. Then at the bottom side here, you will see try free. So this is the motion option right from here. So if I click on motion here, then you will now see free viral motion library that you can choose from. You can also use your own reference video as the video option here. I'll show you all of that. So for this, I'm going to click on explore more. So when you click on that, these are different viral motion that you can choose from. So you can see how cool they are. So if you want your model to imitate this same kind of motion, then you just have to select them and use that in your video. So let's say, for example, this particular model dancing right from here, that is what I want my model to imitate. And to go on with that, you just have to select the model, and then it will appear right from here. So the model, that particular motion is going to appear over here. So this is the image we are using, and then this is the video, and then this is the video we want to reference the motion from. If you don't want to use any of the video in the motion library here, what you can do, you can click on this cancel button. So if I cancel that, right from here, I can now add a video that I want to use. So if you click on that, it's going to take you to your library where you can select the motion that you want to use. So you can select any video. So for instance, let me just select this particular video and show you something. So once you select a video and that video is more than 30 seconds, they will give you this option to clip the video that you want to use. So I don't want to use this video. I just wanted to show you that example. So I'm going to cancel that. So this is the video I want to use. So I'll select this video and it's going to appear right from here. Then this is where you select the quality of the video. So I'm going to click on that. So we have 720p resolution and then we have 1080p resolution. I'm going to select the highest resolution, which is the 1080p resolution. Now you come down and this option is very important. So scene control mode, it is enabled. So here they are asking, choose where the background should come from. So if you want the background of your video to imitate, to take the background of the video, then you click on video, and now your new video, which is this your character here, is going to take the background from the motion video which you uploaded. So I want to just maintain the image background. If you are satisfied with all your settings, then you can click on generate and your video is going to start generating. Before we go on to see the final result of this video, there's something I would like to show you. So for this website, here is the subscription plan. So they have the basic plan. Right from here, they have the pro plan, they have the ultimate plan. So for the ultimate plan, they are giving you 365 unlimited nano banana pro. That means you can create images 365 unlimited nano banana pro. They are giving you 1,200 credit per month. And then for the creator plan, you have 2 years unlimited nano banana pro. Then if you come down here also, you have image generation 2 years unlimited. Then if you switch this into a monthly plan, so what we were on is annual plan, which gives you 80% off. You can see this is the prices, so you can just check this. And if you are serious with your content creation game, this is something you can just invest in. It's not every time you look for something free. Something free will not give you that good result that you're looking for. So now let's go back and take a preview of the video we have just generated. So here's the result of the video we have just generated. You can go ahead now to download the video and use the video. Do not forget to use the link in the video description to get access to this website. I'll see you guys in my next video.